Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a Save Draft button field in Bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Here, search for the Save Draft button field. Drag and drop the Save Draft button field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the Save Draft button field settings. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The button text option allows you to set a name for the field that will be displayed on the front end of the form. You can also add leading and trailing icons and customize them. The Disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. You can toggle this option to enable or disable this field according to your needs. By enabling this option, you can create a full-width button. The Button Align feature enables you to customize the position of the button field. You can choose from 3 alignment options for the button text alignment: left, right, or center. From here, you can select either Reset, Button, or Save Draft as your button type. If you enable this option, the button field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the button field will be visible. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the Save Draft button field. Here, you can see that the Save Draft button field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.